The famous Sri Ganesha idol at Kurudumale in Mulbagal Taluk of Kolar district was decorated using grapes of over 2000 kilograms. This is first such occasion wherein the deity has been decorated using grapes. Narayanaswamy and Muniyappa of Vijaypura in Bengaluru rural district had offered the grapes grown in their lands as some of their wishes got fulfilled after offering prayers at the temple, said Loknath Dikshit, priest of the temple. Kurudumale, which is also called as Kudamale, is located on the eastern part of Karnataka and is Modala Bagilu of Karnataka state. As reported by Deepthi R. Kolar for Salar.